This is our future puppy. Come here. Mr. Cuteness. Why are you so adorable?
This will turn out to like Barney's this puppy. I want this puppy. Buy me it.
No.
Why? But it's
Mine.
alright, then buy yourself it. I'm so curious.
Why weren't you doing the mouth thing? You were cute when you did that.
So look, follow my finger. He wants out.
Duh.
Like,
He's like, nah. He's cute.
ew. Look, they have to lay on their own pee.
Yep. He's kind of vicious looking. Look at this. Okay, now we're going to kittens. This is really entertaining.
Hi, kitten. Look at it. He's like, oh, look, hey, Becky. Oh, he's doing it. Until you can. Kitten.
This is entertaining. Kittens. Oh my god. Kittens on crack. Oh my god, this cat's like Spider Cat.
He's like just being a really sweet dog.
He would. But I'm being entertained by kittens.
Hey, I need a puppy.
The kittens are...
Look.
I know, but the kittens are adorable.
Who's doing that?
Smile.
Akita.
I named it Akita, and it's a
I
cute
thought it was
name.
Nikita.
I said Akita. Oh, it wants Melody.
I want it really bad. I'm gonna cry.
It was you're touching it. That is the dog making the noise.
Stop biting me.
This thing is so cute. Look at him.
Oh.
He wants attention.
You're going to pet him.
Look at him.
Look at that one.
He is so adorable on camera.
Oh, yeah.
He's like a freaking little bum. Oh, look at him. He wants my attention. I want you. Hey. Look at face.
Hey, finally this puppy.
No. Oh, why are you so cute?
He's like, I would if I could. I'm like, then do it.
No, ribs are more important.
No.
Oh my god, there's a kitten in here.
What? There's another one here.
What?